Okay, so in last class we discussed about GST, I think, right? I think, yeah, GST, maybe GST we covered. Yes, GST completed, right? And today there is a last topic in accounts payable. Accounts payable. This automatic payment program or APP, automatic payment program. So what is automatic payment program? So it is a automatic payment to vendor. Automatic payment to vendor on the basis of terms of payments which we maintain. So it will make the payment automatically on the basis of terms of payments. What are the terms of payments we maintain? Say example, in our terms of payments we maintain 30 days as a grace period or credit limit period, right? So seeing that terms of payments, system will make the payment to vendor automatically. And how it will make the payment? Through bank. So what are the bank's details we maintain? We maintain according to that it will be system will maintain the payment, or it will make the payment to vendor. Okay, and here as of now we not maintain any bank details, right? So only just we created the bank in GL, only we created the GL, that's it. If you go to FS00, if you go to current asset, there we created only 2-3 banks, right? But it is not at all sufficient data. We not yet maintain a sufficient data because we never maintain a bank address, bank account number, or IFSC code. All these things we not maintain, right? Now I need to maintain that bank details. That is what we called as bank details. And if you are having check payment, and I need to mention the check. Okay, so all this detail I need to maintain. When to maintain, I'll show that one. And after that, the payment. What are the payment methods we are having in India? So payment methods is there in India. So first one is cash payment. So we can make the payment through cash to my vendor. Second one is online transfer. Third one is we can make the payment through check payment or check. So these are the 3 payment methods we are having in India. Okay, so usually in real time the cash payment will not going to maintain here in automatic payment program. That cash payment we are going to maintain, there is a separate topic called cash journal. There we are going to maintain the cash payment or cash receipt, then cash sales. So all these kind of transactions we can see in cash journal. But in automatic payment programs we will not use cash payment, only we will see check payment and online transfer only. So there is a predefined method, we can take it from the system. Say example for online transfer, so there is a word or letter called T, and for check payment there is a letter called C. This is a predefined configurations maintained by SAP. So what we can do, we can use the same method or same payment method. Okay, so we'll not create our own, we'll maintain this one only. So as it, okay. So first I'll see, I'll go to FBZP. There is a T code for automatic payment program. Just a moment. Okay, so this is automatic payment program screen, where we are having 6 options. Like first one is all company codes, paying company codes, payment methods in country, payment methods in company code, bank determination, and house bank. Okay, so first and second options will indicate, or it will tell us that for which company code we are going to maintain the payment program. Okay, then third and fourth options is related to country. As I told you, we are having 3 types of payment methods we are having in India, that we can see in here, and for that methods we can apply to or assign to my company code. And fifth and sixth options are there, that is related to banks. Okay, that is related to bank determination, house bank. As I told you, house bank, what is house bank? There we are going to maintain our all bank details like account number and IFSC code, bank address, like that we are going to maintain in house bank. Okay, house bank means what? House means our company, banks means on which bank we are having the account number and which branch. Say example, we are in Bangalore we are having so many branches. Say example, we are having in HDFC bank account, and HDFC bank account in which area we are having the account. Okay, so like that we need to maintain. So that is maintained in house bank. Okay, then after house bank maintenance, then that bank details I need to assign to my transfer method or payment method. Okay, so these are the 6 options, but options are 6, but it will be divided by 3. First 2 will be indicate company related configurations. Here we are going to maintain company related configurations. Third and fourth will be related to country. There we are going to maintain the configurations related to country. Then bank details. Okay. Here we can create house bank, or we are having a separate T code and path for house bank. There we can go and create. Here also we can create, or else there also we can create. Okay, then after performing these configurations, then end user will take care of, or they will make the payment to, or they will assign that automatic payment program to vendor, all their vendors, and they will run the program. Okay, so we'll see we'll do the configuration one by one. First I'll go to IMG level. First I'll create house bank. First we'll create the configurations regarding check payment. Later we'll see how to maintain the configurations for online transfer. Okay, financial accounting new, IMG level, financial accounting new, bank accounting, then bank accounts here, define house bank, T code is FI12. Here I'm going to maintain my complete bank details. Okay, so I'll execute this, and my company code is PSD, enter, and click on new entry. Then house bank, here I'm going to give house bank as HDFC bank, my country is, bank country is IN, bank key means nothing but IFSC code, there I'm going to mention HDA 0001, just I'm giving rough thing, and telephone number, if you have a telephone number you can mention here. Then contact person, you can manager, mention the manager, or you can mention the name of manager also. Then click on create. Then you need to input the address. Say example, bank name HDFC Bank Limited. Region means nothing but state, it's a state. Okay, I'll take Karnataka, that is 10. Street MG Road, city it's a Bangalore, and branch will be main branch. Okay. Then enter. Just save this. Then double click on bank accounts. Click on new entry. Here account ID, you can give any ID here. I'll give 1001. Description HDFC bank account, and here I'll mention the number, account number, GL account number. As we created the GL account number, the same GL account number we need to assign for HDFC bank account. Whatever GL we created for HDFC, same ledger we are going to assign here. I am going to assign here. Okay, I'll take this one. Okay, HDFC bank account. I'll take this, and currency INR. Save this. Here. Okay, now HDFC bank is created. Okay, now we'll do the configurations related to automatic payment, check payment. Okay, either you can go with the path or T code FBZP. T code is FBZP. You will get screen like this. In one T code we will get 6 configurations. In one T code we will get 6 configurations. Out of 6 we did house bank, right? Now no need to go and do house bank here. Or if you go by path, you will get like this. Okay, path will be IMG, financial accounting new, account receivable and accounts payable, business transaction, outgoing payment, automatic outgoing payment, payment method or bank selection for payment program. See, these are the 5 steps. Set up all company codes, set up payment transaction, paying company code, second one, payment method country, payment method in country, payment transaction, fourth one, payment method in company code, then bank determination, set up bank determination. So any one option you can use, either you can go with the T code or you can use path also. Okay, but the interface will be different. Okay, go to first one. You click on all company codes, click on new entries, and here input company code, your company code PSD, and again paying company code is again PSD. Then tolerance days for payable, say 1 day, and special GL to be transaction to be paid means if you in case any down payment, A and F, down payment request and down payment on current assets, A and F. And automatic payment program is not applicable for customers, so no need to mention anything here. Save. Okay, come back. Then click on paying company codes, new entry again, paying company code PSD, and here I need to mention the minimum amount for incoming payment and outgoing payment. So here incoming payment is not required. Okay, there is a minimum amount should be maintained, because for 500 rupees or 600 rupees or below 1000 rupees, this system should not be applicable. Then we can maintain like that. Say example, if balance of vendor below 5000, system should not use automatic payment program. Okay, so I will mention like that, or 2000 or 5000, up to us. Okay, so below 5000 system should not apply this program or apply this configurations. Okay, then save. Then come back and click on payment method in country. As I told you, we are having 3 types of payment. See here, check. So for India we are having check, and one more is there, T. T stands for bank transfer, and one more cash. We'll check that one. I think someone has changed, maybe. Bank transfer is there, check payment is there, one. Okay, this cash payment is not maintained. Okay, someone has changed. Okay, so we'll take C1. No changes here. Do not change anything here. And this C will assign to my company code. Okay. No changes here. Come back and click on payment methods in company code. New entry. Paying company code, again our company code PSD, and here I need to mention payment method as C. And here we maintained the minimum amount as 5000. In our previous steps we did that. Same step I need to maintain here, same amount I need to maintain here, and maximum amount I can mention this one, 9 nines. Okay, save. Okay, then this part is over. Come back. Now our company code has been assigned with payment method as C, right? We can make the payment to our vendor through checks, but check is not yet maintained. We'll create the check after this. Okay, come back and click on bank determination as we did house bank. No need to go and create it again. Go to bank determination. And position, click on position. My company code is PSD, that is paying company code. Select PSD and double click on ranking orders. So it is not a mandatory step because we are having only one house bank. It is a mandatory step to maintain the ranking orders, but we are not having only one bank as of now. Means on that basis, on the basis of rank, the system will make the payment. On the basis of rank, it will maintain the payment. So assume that we are having 3-4 bank account, right? Like we are having HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Citibank, like that. System, we need to tell our system that from which bank system should take the priority. Okay, so example, we are having 3 banks. Assume that we are having 3 banks: HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Citibank, like that. In every bank we maintain some amount, right? This is balance, available balance. Say example, I am maintaining 50 lakh. Although we are having 3 banks, but we should tell our system that from which bank account vendor payment should be done, right? So example, I am giving HDFC Bank rank 1, this is rank 1, this is 2, and this is 3. The first preference will be given to HDFC Bank, second preference will be ICICI Bank, and third will be Citibank. Okay. So first, that is what we call as rank. So here also I need to maintain the rank, but here I am having only one bank account. Click on new entry, payment method is check, currency to INR, ranking order 1, and house bank only one bank I'm having. Okay, save. Then double click on bank accounts, new entry, house bank, payment method check, currency INR, account ID 1001, and bank sub account. Sub account means nothing but our GL. HDFC. Save. Then double click on available amounts. I need to maintain the amount to make the payment, right? So select HDFC Bank account ID is created, 1001, days not required, currency INR, and I am going to maintain around 50 lakhs here in this particular bank. Save this. Then value date, double click on value date. Here we can set the limit for particular payment. Say example, if I make payment as limit as 5 lakh, if more than 5 lakh it should not be applicable. It should not be acceptable. So here it is not required, but I'll do this step, account. So I'm not maintaining any limit here. And if we any charges or expenses maintained by banks, we need to mention here. Or for any transaction, if bank is charged for any transaction, we can maintain here. Okay, again it is not required. Okay, these are the configurations, and now I need to create the check lot. To create the check lot, I need to come to IMG again. I'll go to outgoing payment, manual outgoing payment. No. Payment. Okay, here is payment media, check management. Okay, T code is FCHI. Okay, path I'll let you know once again. IMG, financial accounting, account receivable and accounts payable, business transaction, outgoing payment, automatic outgoing payment, payment media, check management, define number ranges for check. T code is FCHI. Execute. Paying company code PSD, house bank, HDFC, account ID, then click on change, then click on create. First click on change, then click on create, and it will ask for lot number. So I'll just give one number like this, 01, and I'll give the number like this, 1002 099. You can give any number here. That is what we call as check number. And 100 check leaves. And today's date I'll take 2021. Enter and That's it. Okay, now it is done. Okay, next this is a configuration as an end user we need to perform. After this, end user work will come. End users activities. What they do? So first one, they are going to assign APP to all vendors. So assign APP to all vendors. Okay. Second one, run the APP. Means automatic payment program they need to run. To run automatic payment program, they need to maintain 4 P's. I'll let you know. To run APP means need to maintain 4 P's. So what are the 4 P's? First one, need to maintain the parameter. So parameter means, what is parameter? There need to assign company code, payment method, vendor, all these data I need to mention in parameters. Okay. Then second one, parameter. Then second one, proposal means what are the parameter we maintain, what are the parameter we maintain, system should consider. Should consider. Okay, then third one, payment. So on the basis of proposal, system should make the payment to vendor. Okay, then print. In case if you require print, so you can take the output. So print will be usually maintained by ABAP consultant, means a technical consultant or technical person. Technical consultant, they used to take the printout. Okay. So first we'll see. First we'll assign the vendor. First we'll assign this to vendor. Let me check. Okay, to assignment, go to easy access, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, master record, FK02, change. Here I'll select the vendor. If I created the vendor sum, yes, we are having the vendors here. So I'll select this and select payment transaction under company code data, enter. See payment method here I'm going to assign, just now we maintained, right? See that I'm going to assign. Any payment block is there? No, there is no payment block is there. There is no payment block. Then alternative pay is there. If it is there, you can mention here. House bank, as of now we maintained house bank here, we select that one. If it is individual payment or it company related payment, it is an individual payment. So if it is an individual payment, then I need to select this one. It is not related to individual, so I'm not going to select. There is a limit is there? No, exchange limit means in case any other currency transaction or other currency payment, if you are making the payment in some US dollar. There is a limit is there. If you are having any limits, we need to mention here. Otherwise, here we can assign only one payee, alternative payee, right? One alternative payee. If you are having so many alternative payee, we can click on permitted payee. There we can assign many alternative payee here. Payee means vendor. Sometimes what will happen, they will not receive any payment on this name. They will not receive any payment on this name. They will have some other payees, so we can mention here. Okay, it is not required. These two, press enter and save. Like that, I need to assign to all my vendors. Or else what I'll do, I'll create one more vendor here. I'll create a new vendor and we'll assign I'm going to assign some payment terms. I'm going to assign this one 001 000, that is a standard one. Tolerance group again PSD C, and I'll do some posting here. Running procedure is not, this is not required. Okay, yes. Okay, for this vendor I'll do some posting, means invoice I'll going to raise in FB60. I'm going to raise the invoice 0.5/2021 and I'll give purchase invoice posting and GL account, inventory of raw material account, amount. Okay, come to, okay, here we are getting the error. Company code number range is not maintained. Okay, 19. In this case, go to OBS7. I'll open one more screen, OBS7 or FBN1. You go to OBS7 and it's a vendor invoice, position, document type KR, enter, double click on this, click on number range information, company code PSD, change interval. Okay, we are having this number 19 2021 and okay, 19 and one more 17. select one more and save this one. Okay, now I'll come to FB16 and I'll try to post the invoice. And before posting, go to payment tab here. Having the payment tab here. Okay, we are having the payment terms here, and here also we can assign payment method as C. Here also we can assign payment method as C. If you are not assigned payment method in vendor invoice or vendor master, you can assign payment method here also. Save. Okay, now I'm going to run this program. To run this program, I need to maintain 4 P's. First I need to maintain the parameters, then proposal, then payment. Print will not see, as I told you, they will be maintained by ABAP consultant. Okay, so first we'll go with one by one. First we'll create the parameter. For that I need to come to easy access accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, then periodic processing, F110 payments. F110 is a T code. Okay, then run date will give today's date 1/5/2021, and identification I can give any one, P1. I'll give P1. Okay, click on parameter here. As I told you, first I need to maintain the parameter. There I'm going to maintain the posting date, document entered up to, company code. Company code is my PSD, and what is my payment method, payment date, in what is when you are going to make the payment. Say example, I want to make the payment on 10th of May. Then vendor, just here I'm going to select only one vendor. Just now we created and posted the invoice. Now I'll take that vendor, because already we did some transaction with many vendors, and in previous dates also we did. That's the reason you will get confused. And I created a new vendor, and I posted some entry, and on that basis we'll try to maintain the payments. Okay, click on save the parameter. Then parameter has been saved. Second step, what is second step? It's proposal. So to do the proposal, come to status again, or click on status again. See, parameter have been entered, and after that proposal is there. Click on proposal. Here we can schedule our proposal. Okay, here it is a date 1/5/2021 is there. It will pick by system automatically, because system will pick the date or present date it will pick. Okay, if you want to manage, or if you want to schedule the proposal on particular date or particular time, or you can start immediate basis. On immediate basis you can start. Okay, enter. Okay, now proposal ready to be start, right? Press enter here again. Okay, now the proposal has been created. So third step is what? Payment, right? Okay, then click on payment run here. Again, it will ask for any schedule for payment, or we can select start immediately, right? So enter, payment run is ready to be started. Again press enter. Okay, it is showing that some cancelled. Okay, we'll see the proposal, it is maintained or not. We'll click on display proposal here. Okay, it is telling that payment is done, but there we are getting the error. Okay, it is not, that's the reason we need to come here. Okay, double click on this 1 lakh payment. This is a document number. Okay, we are not getting any error here. So 1 lakh has been, payment has been done to vendor. Okay, it is showing that green, right? Green means it is payment done. Okay, if you want to see, go to edit and display proposal list and program, it will pick automatically, press enter. See, we'll get the output like this. Okay, this is also, we can check with payment. I think. Okay, proposal will get display proposal, or yeah, we can see. So this much of payment done to this particular vendor. You can see the report here. So this is what we call as automatic payment. Okay, so we'll stop here today and we'll continue tomorrow at same time, only 12 o'clock. And one more thing, you should download that videos. I'm going to delete by today. Today till or tomorrow I'll delete. Please download.
Sir, I have shared told to share.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. To upload new videos, I need to delete some old videos, right?
Okay, sir. Rest of the videos we have, only this video we don't.
Okay, today I'll delete. Okay, I'll delete and I'll upload and I'll send it to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, then bye. Bye.